What's up? This is John from JJ Innovation Garage in the Peach capital of the state, baby. I'm in the paint booth. Jay, did you get popped in the eye? No. I had a skin tag right there underneath my eye. Went to the dermatologist. Took forever for the VA to send me to one. And I go down there yesterday, and they pulled it out real, and they cut it off. So it's a little bit of swellage going on, but it's all good. It's all good. So what we got going on? Well, I said what we got going on. What I got going on? Got the booth washed and pressure washed and cleaned out. Everything's good. Now I have this brand new fender and a brand new mirror cover for a 2012 Malibu. And when you're doing insurance work, on the back side, right there, if the insurance company is paying for CAPA certified parts, you better buy CAPA certified parts. You take this little ticket right here and you peel it off and you put it on the work order, because if you don't, it's going to cost you. Because if they catch you putting on parts, cheap parts, they catch you putting on cheap parts and you got paid to put on high dollar parts, they're going to get you. And let me tell you what they're going to get. They're going to get that thing on the back side, you know. So make sure you do right. So this stuff right here is E-coat. Good gracious. Woo. So this is E-coat, which is electronics powder coated or primed, like powder. So you treat it as plastic. So according to the guide, it says, I have a PPG guide, and it says, with E-coat, you don't even have to sand. They said it's got enough texture to grab a hold of it. So they say all you have to do is wipe it down, wax and grease remover, alcohol prep, final prep. This right here is going labyrinth gray or metallic. It is not going to match. The client already knows that. The client's going to put the fender on. The client's going to put the mirror on. The insurance would not pay to have a blend on the door or the hood. Go figure. So he says, Jay, can I have the fender drop shipped to you and the mirror cover, and can you paint it? I said, not a problem. I said, I'll get you the material, and I'll get it here, and I'll paint it. I'll seal it. I think it goes with G5. I'll seal it, base it, clear it. And he said, okay. So he's going to handle the rest of it. He's going to put it on. He's going to take it off, whatever. But I'm only getting paid for the paint time and the material. He's going to take the money for the removal and all that stuff. He's doing that on his own, which that's a win-win for me, because it's a brand new part. Get it in here, scotch it. Well, actually, I washed it with Scuff and Clean yesterday, rinsed. Now I'm going to spray down with wax and grease remover. Once that gets done, then I'll do the alcohol prep. I'll put my Luma suit on. I won't be in here painting with my clothes on. And I'm going to use the Luma III and the 15 spray guns. And that it is. Not everybody has a show car, so you have to do what you got to do. So remember what I said, boys and girls, don't worry about the man up the road, and don't worry about the man down the road. Sweep off your own front porch before road sweeping off anybody else. Put God first, let loose and drag, peace, love, and increase. I'm out.